Okay. So next problem, we have this one. Um, in the electrolysis of an aqueous silver nitrate solution, 0.67 grams of silver is deposited after a certain period of time. Write the half reaction for the reduction of silver plus. That's A, B, and C. So let's do is first Ag plus. Kita natin oras para spasay lang. Write half reaction reduction Ag plus. So basically the for Ag plus, actually, you could just write the Ag plus. Ag plus. So if that is reduction, Geroa, gain of electron. So din here, meaning you would have an Ag plus to Ag. Diba? An Ag plus to Ag. Because this is reduction. That is, you have reduction is gain of electrons. Geroa, gain of electrons, we call it reduction. So your electrons would be here. So you would have one electron for each mole of ions or silver to be deposited. So I guess that's letter A. That's the half reaction. Diri ka naman mabalance it iya oxygen. And diri ka naman mabalance iya um, why sir diri AgNO3? Actually, your AgNO3 is there, but your NO3 doesn't participate. If you will solve it like this, Ag, and then you would have an NO3. Actually, yung NO3 would not, because this is only for reduction. This doesn't mean, I mean, kung isurat kasi ni mo ini, tapos your nitrate, meaning, the nitrate, kay wari man niya Ag, nitrate lang apitiya. Meaning, this would be Ag, and then this would be nitrate. Meaning, your nitrate is just an spectator ion. So, it will not participate in the oxidation reduction because if it will participate, let's say the nitrogen will turn into NO2 something, then, um, ano ba problema ito? Complicated iya. Diri tiya ma-expect nga diri tiya I mean the problem must tell you. Ay day exact science iniya. So the fact nga diri naghatag ang problem in sugad, meaning diri tiya mahinabo nga it imo nitrate ma-participate it imo. So meaning hi la talaga ito aton dida igsusurat. Your nitrate usually ha imo half reaction bagan imo battery gintuto nga man ito half reaction usat oxidation usat reduction. So diri mo man ini mabubulag kay pag tunawan nimo nimo silver nitrate, your silver nitrate is a compound amo itong given di ba? Tunawon mo nga na tubig, ito talaga nagbubulag la tira, silver and then your nitrate I think 2 plus Ag sorry nitrate. I think you have to look at your hmm, at your predictable if Ag is Ag plus or Ag, I think that's Ag plus. So Ag plus, you go back to your table of ions. Ano eh? Ngayon tayo table of ions, panigurado kita. Ano yung Ag? Is it Ag or Ag2 plus? Kitaan ko na kung mga ginpasang na um, table of ions, van der Waals. Van top factor, okay. What's the table of ions here? Solubility rules. Anyway, pwede na yun, solubility rules. Dito rin pakagawas nila. Your Ag is Ag plus. Yes. Your chlorine is negative 1. So Ag is Ag plus. Animo table, other terms, atom. Atomic nucleus base, position properties, effective, luminaries, JPEG. table of ions. You can see here that your silver is an Ag, ions 3. How about ions 1? Ag silver. Silver. Your Ag here. Your Ag is Ag plus. May ka ng silver, di ba no? Here, your Ag is in Ag plus. Okay? So, yun lang yung kailangan ko actually. Panigurado lang. So, actually, your Ag is in O3. So, I think that is the half reaction. This one, this guy over here. Ag plus will consume 1 electron. So, I answered it already. How about the next? Asan na yung problem ko? Fats and lipids. Bakit na out ko? What's the probable? Write the half reactions for the reduction of Ag plus. So that's the reduction. Now, next is what is the probable oxidation half reduction? Actually, damo init pwede. You can visit your reduction potentials. Pwede dito. And wala pala magpasa. But anyway, your reduction potentials, I think na open ko yan didi. This one. These are reduction potentials actually. In itong summary, total, I think there are 3 of these. So, these are reduction potential, meaning nakalista nila nga naka-reduction. If you baliktarize this one, so basically, that would be oxidation. May kita nimo itong mga electrons puro adi left. But again, kung baliktar ulit nimo nga reaction, meaning it availability it imo compound. Let's choose. Let's actually it mag-upay ito naturally is ini mga negative because these are not really reduction but usually it oxidation, makusog dira oxidation. Di ba? You can read nga inira nga mga negative masyado because iton imo reduction potentials is versus ito yan imo standard reduction potential which is your SHEE, your standard hydrogen electrode. So amo tira nga may mga value in terms of voltage. But anyway, the fact nga nag-negative hira is zero kasi is HE. Tapos those nga talaga makusog nga reduction which is example your silver makusog tiya reduction meaning naturally reduction talaga tiya in contrast with other substances. So positivity hira. Ambot kun adi tiya didi. Adi gada tiya. Bilon tala. Your silver. Down. It is silver. Di man ho. Here is silver. Di man ho. So, you can see that the value for silver is a positive value. So, meaning, maupait niya pag kontra is mga negative value. So, meaning, iton, imo probable is you can write anything this one. Kaya lang, may mga, if you're the chemist actually, problema ito nimo, the availability. For example, I will tell you, lithium is diri sugad. Lithium is, yes, may dagat niya, diri sugad, pero medyo mahal-mahal. Unlike potassium siguro, baro barato, your potassium. Pero ano mo potassium nga metal, ang paghimo ti iya medyo mahal. So kung babaliktaran ta ito, meaning matikang kita kang potassium, tapos makakahimo kita ng K+. Diri ti ideal kay because your oxidation reduction dapat pareho ra solution. Nakatunlo bira nga duha ka solution. Amo yun ideal para malaksi ya mag-transfer. So usually amo yun candidate. Another one, pwede itong mga gas. So matatanggal na din yan may mga solid. Kaya kung may mga solid ka, there might be a deposition. So magiging hassle ito kay bangin mag-deposit in solid dito kaluyo. Iti mo duduha nga sa rodlan. You can read the mo mga electropotential. Okay? So kung may solid kayo to dida, there might be deposition. So it imo two choices, something na kuan na makahimuhin diri delikado, available, di ba? So malilimit na imo kuan. So ini mga solid, magkakatatanggal itira. Mamiling kita diri solid. Di may ion nga solid. Tama. This one could be a candidate. You have a mercury and H2S. So it problema ini because your mercury is a toxic. Oh, so mawara ito yang mapabawal lang nga kuan. So this is a probable actually baliktaron ni meaning equation meaning an H2S and also H2S is also toxic. Di kayo ni pwede maghinanggabon. So talaga, though it is possible, ada na ito't availability nga nit imo toxicity. It ma-determine. So sir, paano mo ito pag-answer? Actually may mga safe. For example, gamit ka na lang tubig. Iti mo tubig, gamit ka din acid. Iti mo tubig acid. Actually, amit usan niya. Dinhi, actually, I could opt, chromium. Chromium 3 plus to chromium. Meaning, this could be a potential. Kaya sumira malaya probable. Kaya negative pa kasi didi. So, this is probable. Meaning, ira-write ko ya as CR2 plus to CR3. So, that is an oxidation. So, CR2 plus tapos to CR3 plus. So, again, your problem is an possible oxidation, kita problem. So if it's a possible oxidation, right? Diba? What is a probable oxidation half reaction? So oxidation is adi ha right side oxidation lose of electron. Adi ha right side it imo electron. So adi ka di ma right hin one electron. Kita nimo to be it's Cr2 plus. So gimbaliktad ko yung equation, so this might be probable nga half reaction. So meaning ano sa ini nga silver nitrate nga solution ibubutang mo usa nga a solution beaker ka dida tapos usa nga imo beaker ibubutang mo inihi let's say you need Cr2 plus. So may miling kan compound na may Cr2 plus. Chromium damo nito. Let's say chromium nitrate, chromium phosphate, anything na makakabaro-barato ka. So that kung tunawon nga natutunaw lo sa tubig, of course, may that niya solubility rules. May miling kahin mga substances nga may chromium tapos natutunaw tubig para pag dissolve nimo ihay mo tubig may dan nimo Cr2 plus nga da nga ready maging Cr3 plus. So diri harmful ya as you make your oxidation reduction waray ka na di-deposit nga metal and waray ka toxic nga nahihimo. So that is just between Cr2 and so this is a possible. Actually another possibility is gamit ka lang nimo acid. So kung may dan nimo acid, let's say tubig. Tubig, acid, base. Kung acid ka, basically, tapos didit mo H2O, H2O is 0 man ito ya didi. No, positive 1. Positive 1. So ilan niya kabutang? Your H2O, may da ka O2 didi. So, you might have an O2 here. To compensate for this O, then I would have 2H2O, then 4H plus for this. So, iti mo concern is acid lang anhin water. Yan na, kailangan iti mo electron added iti right side. So, babaliktaran mo. Added imo 2H2O, meaning, at first, your available compound must be 2H2O. And then it will produce an acid. So, okay, malat acid, kaya pwede malat natin encounter in base. As you produce this 4H plus and O2. Okay, lalo natin O2, kaya because you know O2 is, nako. Okay, lalo natin O2 because as you produce, nako, nga napidlit. Ay, kapo. Kaya naman pidlit ka man. Ay, okay. Okay, ayun ka na. So O2. So we will just be producing oxygen, which is safe because we need oxygen to breathe. So okay lang siya. So okay niya. You just use water. Again, ha, probable malat parkaan na. So you can use this, you can use this, or you can choose. Maybe you can still find something. Didihan aton table din hi. Just like I found sa ini. O, tanggalat mga solid. Tapos, yun lang. Dili ka mo sugad ka sure kung mga common ito nga substance. Lead. Oh, this one also is may danimo lead nga solid. So, diri tiya. Usually. Solid. 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 So, that limits the possibility. This may do. This one. Ammonium hydroxide. Can use this one. Of course, babaliktaran mo lahat equation. Pero damo tim kailangan, no? I mean, diri ngayon, ini natin kailangan. Ammonium hydroxide aqueous, tapos you'll be producing nitrogen oxide, which is a laughing gas, delikado, yun lang. So, there are possibilities, pero kung di talaga ka mo chemist or chemical engineers, di ka mo sure kung ano ito availability ngan. So, you'd better stick with water. The simplest. Okay? Simplest. So, that answers question B. Calculate the quantity of electricity used in columns. So, 0.67 grams of silver. Nakita ko oras, bangin da ako na iban. Anyway, I've answered already. So, ikat ko lada para dito dakot oras.